Welcome back to Nourish You, where we bring flavors from around the world right into your kitchen. Today we're cooking up a mouth-watering dish that's a fusion of Japanese and British cuisine, chicken katsu curry. The ingredients are listed below. Let's start with the sauce. Heat a tablespoon of sunflower oil in a pan. Once hot, add your chopped onion and carrot. Sauté them until they're soft and golden. Then, add your crushed garlic and grated ginger, cooking for another minute until fragrant. Next, stir in the curry powder and flour, cooking for a couple of minutes to cook out the raw flour taste. Gradually whisk in the chicken stock, ensuring there are no lumps. Then add the honey or brown sugar. Bring the mixture to a simmer, then add the soy sauce and season with salt and pepper. Let it simmer gently while we prepare the chicken, stirring occasionally. Now let's prepare the chicken. Take your chicken strips and coat them in flour, then dip them into the beaten egg, and finally, coat them in breadcrumbs. Make sure each piece is well covered. Heat the sunflower oil in a separate pan over medium heat. Once hot, add your chicken pieces, cooking them until they're golden brown and cooked through. This should take about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Once your chicken is cooked and your curry sauce is rich and thick, it's time to plate up. Serve the chicken over a bed of steaming jasmine rice and ladle a generous amount of curry sauce over the top. And there you have it, a delicious chicken katsu curry that's sure to impress. Perfect for a cozy dinner or when you're craving something comforting and flavorful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty recipes. See you next time!